In this video, I'll be showing you how to use and set reminders on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But you might be someone who's like very forgetful and needs reminders for certain things, like whether it's something to eat or like something for work. This is how you do it. So the first thing that you want to do is locate the reminders app. And if you can't see it on your screen, you just swipe down and type in remind. And you're going to find the reminders app right there at the very top. So you just want to click on that. And from here at the very bottom, you're going to see plus new reminder. So that is what you want to click. Once you click that, you can name it whatever you want. So for example, we can just put it as like. And then on the very bottom, you can even set it to a specific date. You can choose a very specific date as well. It could be a few years from now or whatever it may be. You can change it as an early reminder. For example, if it's like someone's birthday and you want to be reminded like a month before to get a gift for them, just press 1 month, and then you can repeat it like every year. Every year you'll get a reminder 1 month before someone's birthday. You can press apply, and from there all you can do is have a location. You could add some tags to it. You can flag it so it can be very important. And if you want to take photos or add any attachment to it, whether it's an image or anything like that, you could also do that here as well. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.